They are going to discuss whether it is important for using technology and ask to the user. In my opinion, it is very important. Technology is created to help people, so if it is people computing, English is main purpose.
I agree with Nisha. Today, almost everyone use technology every day, and use use app for study, use app for communication, and other people use app to contact with family, with design to communicate. Many users may feel stressed or give up. Yes, and I think it is you is one of the main reasons why some apps can become very successful. For example, apps like Facebook and TikTok popular countries because they are useful. When you open them, you immediately know what to do. You can don't like comment or share without reading your instructions.
Well, that's the big level. And I also think single out this time, if users may 10 or 15 minutes just to understand what it was time. Think about when the site clears, users can complete their task quickly.
Now the for the access community, not everyone is good at technology. Especially and the people young children may struggle with communication people and this app easy to use. More people can access information service and communication tools. That's especially in important area like banking or healthcare. Um, in this, if mobile banking app to complex, user might make a mistake when translating money. Um, that could cause a serious problem.
That's true. And however, some people feel that when technology is naturally that complicated, for example, professional software for engineers, programmers, or designers cannot be too simple because it has many features.
I don't understand the point with even professional software can have user value interface. Developer can optimize use release and provide tutorial and actually complexity in something that not in computation in design. Exactly, I think there is a difference between our phone and communication. Um, an app can be powerful, but still easy to use if designed well. Good design focus on user-centric experience.
User experience is very important. If users feel comfortable and confident while using an app, they will continue using it. If they feel frustrated, they will delete it and try another.
And also, from a business perspective, it is your technology and totally succeed when customer service duty and fellowship.
Yes, I think today is common festive market. There are many families that it grew up have the same question. People need to similar for.
So that's all my family questions. Thank you for